Hey everyone, welcome to the podcast today. So the title of this podcast is The Perception, Lineage, and Why My Work is Different. I'd like to address a question that keeps coming up. Where does my work sit in relation to David Abram, McIlchrist, Merleau Ponte, and indigenous perception traditions? I'm clearly in the same territory, but I also do something very different. I don't just describe perception, I restore it. Here's my main premise. Perception is retrainable, it's relational, and it's resolvable through our nervous system. Vision isn't just optical. Vision is the nervous system organizing itself around reality, and it does so through the body. David Abram is a perceptual poet. He re-enchants the sensory system. He reminds us that the world is alive, responsive, and participatory. But he's not doing nervous system rehabilitation. He restores meaning, I restore capacity. McGillchrist is the master diagnostician for restoring attention. He shows us how the culture collapses perception into a narrow focus. And he gives us the map of cultural injury. My work takes the next step. When somebody asks, okay, how do I get my depth back? Merleau Ponte gives us our truth back, that perception is embodied. He says it's not just a mental construct, but he doesn't give any practices. My work takes the theory of embodiment and puts it into different practices, your biology, your physiology, your ocular motility, your perception, your memory, and your nervous system safety. Indigenous traditions are relational. They understand the field. They can look at the big picture, the wide vision. Respectfully, I'm not here to take their symbols or rituals. I'm here to restore your biology, which makes perception relational again. Three-dimensional vision, slow, nonlinear movement, breath, safety, and sensory reciprocity. Here's the cleanest way to say it. Abram restores the sacredness of perception. McIlchrist emphasizes the importance of attention. Merleau Ponte emphasizes the importance of embodiment. Indigenous cultures restore relational seeing. And I restore the perceptual field through the nervous system. And this makes vision alive again. I observe that vision is a lived experience through the body. If you're experiencing your vision tense, braced, rushed, defended, tight, narrow, you're not broken. You're describing a perceptual field that's under stress. Just know that your vision can be restored. So that's our show for today. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, vision is more than eyesight. It's a whole body experience.